Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Photopea. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the Simple Editor button. Now choose from Library. Then choose one photo that you want to crop. Here you can find the crop option at the top corner. Now tap on it. From here you can crop the photo however you want to crop it and edit it, just like this. Now adjust the photo and crop it however you want to crop it. After that, tap on to Done. Now here you can see the photo has been cropped. And that's it. This is how you can crop the image on the Photopea app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.